Guys, before starting video, we check out Daraz application overview. So open your Daraz app and sign up here by using your email address, and then you can check everything here. Put your address by ship before shipping anything. So it save your address and send everything to your saved address. Here you can see many categories are available: mart, men's fashion, women's fashion, pay, topics, Eid festival, Eid deals, and beauty, home decorations. You can search anything from here, and you can go here. Many things are available if you want to buy them, and if you want to not buy them, you can search any other thing to you have an search bar. Here you can search anything you want, then order that thing and shipped to your saved address. So go back and check cart. You save anything, the saved things are available here. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how to buy a refrigerator by using our Jazz Cash or Easy Pesa account on the Daraz app. So don't waste your time, open the Daraz app and search here uh, refrigerator. refrigerator. When you click on search button, so here you can see many refrigerators are available for sale. Click that one which you like too much. I like this one, Eat deals. So here its total price 1,11,499 rupees. Positive reviews are available. You can see, read all the reviews and check different pictures from here. 19% positive seller rating and 33% ship on time, 100% chat response rate. After checking all the information, have you any question? You can ask question by using this feature and then click on play buy now button. When you click on buy now button, so put your delivery address, billing address and enter your CNIC number. Then if you have a promo code, you can put your promo code and its delivery is free. Wow. Whereas its total payment is 1,11,499 rupees. Delivery fees discount. So total payment is 1,11,499 rupees. After reading all the informations, click on place order button. But it cannot read me. Enter here. Reading button. Put reading. After putting your After putting your address and CNIC number, click on place order button. When you click on place order button, so it will redirect us to on select payment method. Here you can select easy pesa and cash on delivery installment. I will choose easy pesa account. When you click on easy pesa account, so first read this information and then click on pay now button. When you click on pay now button, it will redirect you to on your easy pesa account, and 1,11,499 rupees will be deducted from your account, and your order will be confirmed and sent it to you in next 14 to 15 days. So guys, in this video we learn how to purchase refrigerator by using your EasyPaisa account on Daraz app. Thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.